Hi guys! So in this video, I will teach you how to update WhatsApp. So this is actually fairly easy and simple, so let's just listen to me and I will guide you on how to do this. So in order to do that, you just need to head over to your app store right here and then search for WhatsApp. So let's search for it. So here is WhatsApp Messenger. So let's click on that. If you can see this open button right here, then that just means that your WhatsApp is already updated. But if you can see an update button, then your WhatsApp is on the old version and you can just click that in order to update it. However, if that doesn't work for you, then what you can do is to head over to your settings. And once you're in there, just go to your iPhone storage by heading over to the general and clicking on iPhone storage right here. And then scroll until you can see the WhatsApp, which is right here. So let's click on it. Click on upload app and click on upload app again in order to upload it. So basically this will reset the WhatsApp and you should be able to install it on in here by clicking this reinstall button, or you can also install it on the App Store itself. So that's the whole process. I hope you learned a lot from this video. Make sure to like and subscribe if you love this kind of content. Follow for more.